I had to chop these videos up a little bit, just to make this video a little shorter. But what I'll bring to you here is Venus, Mars, and Jupiter. If you enjoy.
And we're gonna lock that sucker. What the hell is it? There's Venus. Nice. Thanks, brother. That did work. There's a better view of Venus, better focus, and everything pretty much. Okay, so we get out of focus there. We bring it down a little click by click. Thing is get it in the screen here and let it do its thing all by itself. It's kind of, we got a little breezy today, and it's still breezy a little bit. Interesting though, yeah, very interesting. Sorry about that. I was up late last night doing time lapses, and my sinuses are all clogged up. I can't breathe. Very nice though. Got this link from a gentleman. I'll post it. I can't remember exact name. I just looked at it and showed you how to kind of trick your camera into the exposure, getting the exposure right. And he has a nice little tutorial to explain how to do it. And I used it and it works very well. Very well. Now we'll have to see if it works on also Jupiter. Okay. So my battery's almost dead, but I'm gonna try to stay on this thing. Until my battery completely goes dead, or I run out of minutes here, and then I'll try to do it again. Maybe to keep the same exposure, I don't know. But we'll try it. I'm pleased with this, with doing that setup. It sure brought Venus into a much better focus, and much better exposure. Now I got some clouds going over it. I can tell because it's getting real dimmed out, and it's probably just gonna Probably just shit away here because of the clouds on the horizon there. So maybe I won't have to ruin the rest of waste the rest of my battery. Alright, I'd like to try this on Jupiter too and see what I get on Jupiter. If I can do the same thing. Cool. Jeez. It's like, what the hell? So there's Venus. There is Venus. I'd like to try it with Mars. I wonder if I could see Mars. I'm going to go to zoom out from this so I don't have to do the same thing over again for Mars. Now my camera's pointing west. And just like the sun and all the other stars, they're heading northward. They're going northwest. Northwest. What is so hard to figure that out? When you turn your camera pointed northwest, look at the angle that it goes down in. Or did I say that right? When you point your camera west, watch the way the stars go. They go northwest. Pretty simple observation that anybody can do. So, number one, take off those UV lenses, those polarizers, and shoot the stars with a real camera. Use this little method that I'll find and post a link to it, and you'll get better view of the stars. Now, I've only done this on Venus, but I'm going to try it on Mars here in a minute, because Venus is almost down to the horizon. That's Mars. Huh. Yeah, when I cut the light away. Interesting that that's Mars. I think that works cool. If I can get it in one spot and keep it there. There we go. Here, how about if I just bring it down and let it kind of get closer up through the screen. Oh shit, here comes some clouds though. Damn it. They're real thin. Maybe they help filter it. Yep, there's the clouds going in front of it. I'm hoping it won't. Yeah, it's getting pretty thick out here. But at least I caught it. Let's see if I can film it for a little bit here. Clouds will lift up soon. Get another hole in it here. Here it comes. The night I get this thing working for me, here it goes. Alright, I got a little hole here again. Maybe a few thin clouds roll across. Damn it. Shit. I didn't want to lose it or move it when it was in the clouds, but I did.
I'm not sure if it's the thin clouds that are up there that are filtering this out, or whether it is this technique that I used. I will post that technique on my channel. You can go watch the video and get the idea yourself, or learn how to do it yourself through this guy's little method. But I noticed when the thinner clouds went over it, I actually was able to get a better view of it. But as the thicker clouds went over, of course, you can see how it just, you know, smothers it out. But also look at the way that this thing is. It just looks like a bottle of or a ball of shiny flakes inside of it. It doesn't look like any kind of I mean, we know Jupiter, or at least we're told Jupiter is a gas planet, but how would a gas planet survive in the vacuum of space? Gravity's pulling gases down. Well, why doesn't gravity pull our clouds down? Okay, there's water in them, so they should pull it down, but that's why I say I think gravity is bullshit. And there's proof of it right there that if gas can survive in a vacuum, um, then why aren't our clouds falling down to the ground due to gravity? If gravity can hold this gas in, then our gravity of Earth should pull our clouds down, especially if the clouds are water, which I believe the clouds are water. There's no doubt in my mind that clouds are water. But also I wanted to point out how by turning your focus, if you try this method, by adjusting your focus, you actually not only get the bands of Jupiter, but you also can see the moons of Jupiter also once you readjust it to bring out the light of the moons. Are these moons around Jupiter? Hell, I don't know. We're just told that they're moons. So as far as I know, these could be other objects that are in the sky around Jupiter. So again, you can't never tell. Also, I pulled this down to show this little leading moon. But again, I leave it up to you. These are my observations. I saw this little method, thought I'd try it. It worked really well with Venus. I don't really know how it really came out with Mars. Probably try it again with Mars and maybe with Sirius to see if I can get some different results. I tried it with Sirius. I didn't really get any much different results on it. So again, like I said, I'll try it. But I will be posting a link to this guy's channel so you can check out how he showed how to do this, get the overexposure out so you could actually see more of the crescent of Venus. Okay, so that's where he started at, and I asked if you would do it on Jupiter or some of the other planets. He said he didn't know, but the only way to find out is try it. I tried it, and this was my results. I thought I'd show it to you, see what you thought. All right, again, like, subscribe, share, use. I don't care. My videos are free. Do what you want with them. You don't even have to give my name out if you want, but just do me one favor. Do not claim them as yours. You did not do the work. You did not put up with all the mosquito bites and bug bites and everything that I did, so don't claim it as yours. But please, if you want to use it, go ahead. Thanks and have a good night. Bye.